Welcome to the soft rain. This is your time to pause, to soften, and to return to the calm within you. Gratitude is a powerful energy. It opens the heart, lightens the mind, and heals the spirit. When we focus on what we are thankful for, even in the smallest ways, we invite peace and abundance into our lives. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position. Sit or lie down where you feel supported. Rest your hands gently on your lap, or place them over your heart if that feels natural. Close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in through the nose hold for a moment, and release gently through the mouth. Again, breathe in deeply. And breathe out slowly. With each breath, feel your body begin to soften. Feel your shoulders drop, your jaw unclench, and your hands relax. Inhale, filling the body with calm. Exhale, releasing any tension, any heaviness from the day. Allow your breath to find its natural rhythm. Slow, steady, effortless. As you continue breathing, imagine a warm golden light resting just above your head. With each inhale, this golden light begins to enter your body, flowing down gently. With each exhale, it spreads through you, calming every part of you. This is the light of gratitude, a gentle, healing energy. As you breathe, bring your awareness to this moment. Nothing else matters right now, just you, your breath, and this sense of calm. We will now invite gratitude into the body, mind, and spirit. With each phrase I speak, repeat it silently to yourself. Allow the words to sink deeply into your heart. Feel them as your truth. I am grateful for this breath. am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for the strength of my body. I am grateful for the strength of my body. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned. I am grateful for the lessons I have learned. I am grateful for the love in my life, the love I give and the love I receive. I am grateful for the love in my life, the love I give and the love I receive. I am grateful for the opportunities that are unfolding for me. I am grateful for the opportunities that are unfolding for me. Now, imagine yourself standing in a field at sunrise. The sky is painted with gentle colors of pink, orange, and gold. You feel the warmth of the sun's rays resting on your skin. As the sunlight touches you, your entire body begins to glow with the energy of gratitude. Each breath in fills you with warmth, love, and peace. Each breath out releases fear, tension, and doubt. Visualize every cell of your body smiling. Imagine your heart glowing, radiating gratitude outwards like soft ripples in water. I am grateful for my journey. I am grateful for my journey. I am grateful for the people who support me. I am grateful for the people who support me. I am grateful for the small joys that brighten my days. I am grateful for the small joys that brighten my days. I am grateful for the chance to rest, to heal, and to begin again. I am grateful for the chance to rest, to heal, and to begin again. Notice how gratitude feels in your body. Perhaps it feels like warmth in the chest. Perhaps it feels like lightness in your shoulders. Allow that sensation to grow, to expand, to surround you completely. Every part of you is bathed in gratitude. Your mind, your body, your spirit. Take a few final deep breaths. Inhale gratitude, exhale peace. Place your hands gently over your heart. Feel its steady rhythm. This is your reminder that you are alive, that you are capable, that you are blessed. Whisper silently, "Thank you, thank you, thank you." Carry this gratitude with you into the rest of your day. Let it guide your choices, soften your words, and strengthen your spirit. Whenever you feel heavy or lost, return to this moment of gratitude. It will always be here for you. When you're ready, slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently roll your shoulders. Open your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Release it slowly. You are grounded. You are healed. You are grateful. Thank you for joining me at the soft rain. Comment below one thing you are grateful for today. And don't forget to subscribe for more meditations and affirmations. Go gently with gratitude in your heart.